Want to level up your content with some silly goofy sound effects but not sure where to find them? Here are my top 2 go-to sites for sound effects. First up is My Instance. It's perfect for meme-worthy or trendy sounds. You know, the kind that instantly makes your video like 10 times funnier. Second, Sound Effects Lab. This one is a goldmine for anime-style sound effects, the exact type you hear in corporal VTuber edits or TikToks. Both are free and super easy to use. Save this for later and go make your content pop.